Menteri rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke sangma ulo ongba ke Sorkar Jylla kalayo ke Khubor ka babha ke Sorkar India halor ke jingterwa ban ai jingben ya ki Nongtih Dewïong ki barin Hynrei ula kentain ban batai bniah hadu bandayo ya ke jingmen jor ka Khatduh Konrad ula ong ba ke Sorkar kadang persyang wen bniah hapdeng ke jingyo kam jingyo jam jong ki Nongtih Dewïong ke jingshangan jong ki bat ke jingïada ka mariang Ula pentebru basau tili ki par Dewïong ki bahe ada banyo jingben bat lai tili na ki kelas dang trekam bat shalan Dewïong shabar Jylla habakren halor ki par Dewïong bala shu i shra menteri rangba ula ong bakani kadi ke jing'e ka bakrau namar tang hakawai ke district ladon palad arpawai hajar tili ki par Dewïong bala i shra katba hak Jylla baro kawai kila ban poi hadu arpusan hajar tili Ula ong ba ke Sorkar kandang beteng manwa di kilat kilinti kiba biang tam ban yada hijing imbat ke jingshan jong ki Nongtih Dewïong kat ba kadang penben ya kini ki jing
Again, you see, the problem with this is that there is no right answer to this, and it'll always be a challenge. And we are working with constraints, with difficulties, and we need to balance out all aspects. So while coal mining is a livelihood aspect which is very, very important, I've been mentioning, but yet we have to at the same time balance the safety of the miners and the impact on the environment. So therefore, that is what we are trying to achieve. And therefore, in the process, there will never be a kind of a perfect system that we'll be able to achieve. There will always be challenges ahead. And we are trying to overcome those challenges and find what is best suited for our state and for our miners. And we are working very closely with everyone, including Government of India. And as I said, we are making strides forward. And we are hopeful, as I said, that slowly and steadily things will reach to a point where we'll be able to really balance out things in a much more better and perfect manner. As of now, the larger mines, about 100-hectare mines, are being permitted by Government of India. 4 mines, as I said, permissions have been given. 3 mines are already active. In fact, large quantity of coal from these scientifically mined coals have already started being exported out of the state. So the process has started, but it's a long way to go. And our concerns are actually the smaller miners who are not having the kind of requisite area that is required. So those challenges are in the process. We are trying to address them by seeking permission from Government of India, whether smaller mines can be given permissions, and we are getting positive response, but I would refrain from giving details right now until unless we have a final clearance from it.
Yeah, abandoned mines are a cause of concern. Two deaths took place recently.
You see, the problem is, as I said, there are more than 21,000 mines just in one district. And if you put all the state together, there are maybe close to about 25,000 mines. And these are all in different locations. It is almost next to physically impossible for us to really go into all of these aspects. And these mines have been there for centuries, not just decades. For centuries they've been there. So yes, it is a challenge. And all of this has come on us in this kind of limited time and space, and multiple challenges are being addressed. But as I said, we are working on them, and we are ensuring that we balance things out. I think I stress on the word balance because that's really what is important. So while we have to look at livelihood, we need to ensure that we continue to take care of our people. We need to also take care of their lives and the safety of the miners and the environment as well.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.